In this video, we will learn the pronunciation and the meaning of the word anonymity. We will also go through some sample sentences and a short conversation to understand the word in detail. Firstly, we will learn the pronunciation. The word pronounce as anonymity. Anonymity. Let us move on to the meaning of anonymity. The word anonymity means the state of being unknown or not identified by name. It refers to situations where a person's identity is concealed or not disclosed. Let us move on to some example sentences to see how this word is used. Sentence 1.
Online forums often allow users to post comments with complete anonymity. Online forums often allow users to post comments with complete anonymity. In this sentence, anonymity means that users can post comments without revealing their names or identities.
Sentence 2. The charity donor preferred to maintain anonymity. The charity donor preferred to maintain anonymity. In this sentence, anonymity means that the charity donor chose not to reveal their identity or name when giving their donation.
Finally, we will see a short conversation between Bob and Sarah.
Sarah, why do some people prefer to donate to charities anonymously?
Well, Bob, anonymity allows them to help without seeking recognition.
That makes sense. But how do charities know who to thank?
They often have ways to acknowledge anonymous donors discreetly.
Aha! So it's about giving without drawing attention.
Exactly. Lets people focus on supporting causes without spotlighting themselves.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please share your valuable comments and feedback in the comment section. See you with next word. Bye.